Rearview mirror dash cams promise a sleek, space-saving solution, combining your mirror, display, and recording system into one. But while the concept is appealing, not all mirror cams are created equal. In fact, some can cause more problems than they solve. Today on Auto and Moto, we're breaking down the types of rearview mirror dash cams you should avoid and why. First, avoid models with poor reflective clarity. Many cheap mirror dash cams double as your only rearview mirror, but the reflective coating is often dark, hazy, or warped. This compromises your visibility during the day and becomes downright dangerous at night, when glare and dim lighting make it nearly impossible to see what's behind you. Second, skip units with laggy digital displays. Some mirror cams show a live feed from the rear camera on screen, but use cheap processors that can't keep up. The result? Delayed images that make reversing or switching lanes risky because you're not seeing real-time motion. Third, watch out for cameras with poor night vision. Budget rearview mirror cams often cut corners on sensor quality. That means grainy, overexposed, or completely blacked out footage after dark, which defeats the purpose of having a camera for accident protection. Fourth, avoid units with clunky touchscreen controls. Many of these cameras rely on touch-based menus to control settings, but budget models often suffer from unresponsive screens or overly complicated interfaces. Trying to adjust brightness or switch camera views while driving becomes a dangerous distraction. Fifth, unreliable mounting systems are a deal breaker. A lot of these cams use rubber straps to fit over your existing mirror. But if the straps are weak or the cam is too heavy, the entire unit can sag, rattle, or even fall off over time, especially on bumpy roads or in extreme temperatures. Sixth, many lack software or warranty support. Off-brand mirror dash cams might look impressive online, but if they fail, and many do, you're left with no firmware updates, no replacement parts, and no one to contact. These short lifespan gadgets often end up in the trash within a year. In conclusion, while mirror dash cams can be convenient and stealthy, the wrong one will compromise visibility, reliability, and safety. Stick to trusted brands, check display clarity in real-world lighting, and avoid ultra-cheap units with flashy promises but no track record. For more no-nonsense reviews and smart car tech advice, subscribe to Auto and Moto.